Introducing the FX Beast Robot 0.1 EA V1.0 MT4, a powerful expert advisor built for MetaTrader 4 and compatible with build 1443+. Now available at just $14.99, down from $1,499. Once downloaded, you'll receive a complete package, including the EX4 file, installation instructions, a README guide, and a YoForex QR for support. Install, simply open MT4, go to File, Open Data Folder, MQL4, Experts, paste the EX4 file. Restart MT4, then find it under Navigator, Expert Advisors, and drag it to your chart. Pick Allow Live Trading, load the provided set file, and turn auto trading on. On the chart, the EA runs smoothly. Here, shown on GBP USD M5 with a spread of 2.0, automatically mapping levels, placing trades, and managing risk. Backtesting confirms its reliability with a $10,000 initial deposit, producing a net profit of $210.18, an expected payoff of $19.11 per trade, a drawdown of just 3.33%, and a perfect 100% win rate across 11 trades. Finally, in our Telegram post, FX Beast Robot 0.1 comes with set files and user manual, instant download links, and key features including support for GBP USD, Euro USD, AUD ADA, USD JPY, US 30, and XAU USD. Usable on any time frame with only a $200 minimum deposit required, and no martingale or grid strategies. Subscribe to our Telegram channel and join now to get advanced services, premium tools, and exclusive real-time